Hello, greetings, hope you're all well wherever you are in the world right now. Really exciting one today. K&F Concept has sent me one of their new filter kits and this one is magnetic. Let's have a look. So here is the case. This is what we've got. It feels like really good quality. I can feel the padding already, so you know your filters are safe from the get-go. As well as that, we've got what looks like a waterproof seam around the zip as well, which should prevent a lot more water getting in. And then on the back, we've got a clip and a nice Velcro strap there. Just so you can attach the filters wherever you need to, on the side of your bag, onto your person, wherever you need. Cool, let's jump on in. So we'll open up the zip. As we can see inside, there are 4 different compartments. So you've got one for each of your 3 filters, which comes in the pack, as well as the magnetic ring itself, which will be attached to your camera. So as mentioned, there are 3 filters which come with the pack. They're all slimline and they're obviously all magnetic, so they work with the adapter well. The first one is the MRC UV filter. This is a standard UV filter from K&F Concept. Great for kind of reducing the blue tints caused by UV rays. This filter, great for seaside, great for mountains, great for snowy open areas, anywhere like that really. And this, before the magnetic filters came out, this is kind of the standard filter what I'd have on my lens most of the time. The second filter is the MRC CPL filter. This is a polarizer filter. Basically what this does is it removes reflections from non-metallic surfaces. For me, that's water. Nice and easy, does the job really well. I actually use this for portrait photography as well because I find it gives me a bit more definition and a bit more depth in my photo. And the last filter is the 10-stop MRC ND1000 filter. Goes without saying, this one is going to be awesome for landscape photographers. In a nutshell, what this does is basically reduce the amount of light that can come into the camera. This is great if you want to be able to open up the aperture or if you want to smooth out a really busy scene. Again, landscape example is making the water look a lot more silky in the shots. So that is the filters which come in this pack. There's a nice wide range there. For myself, I use the MCUV filter quite a lot, or the polarizer filter. They just work with my styles a little bit more, but if you're more of a landscape photographer, ND1000, whack that baby on and you're going to love it. So, more importantly, we need to see the strength of this magnet. If you're anything like me, I do shake my camera out a bit, so I need to make sure that the filters are going to stay on. Let's have a look. Okay then, so here is my camera. On at the moment I've got a magnetic adapter ring. This is a 77mm on my camera, but they do have a wide range of sizes available to suit most cameras. We're going to whack that CPL filter on there. So that's gone on. You can see it's on smooth. Little tip, just quickly looking round to make sure that it's on all sides, so we know that that magnetic force is at its strongest. And then yeah, I'm going to give it a shake. Literally nothing. Absolutely nothing. That thing is going nowhere. Yeah, I'm really impressed. Really impressed. It's on. It's not going anywhere. So there we have it then. I'm happy with that. I don't think that's going anywhere. I'm going to stop shaking my camera now because I don't really want to break it. But yeah, another great feature as well is there is a little lip on the filters themselves. So if you are happy, if you're out and about and you need to get away quite quickly, you can actually put your lens caps on, and that is there. That is going nowhere as well. I'm not going to shake it too hard this time. But yeah, so that is a great product. It looks amazing. The packaging, always awesome from K&F Concept. I'm really happy with that. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm convinced. I'm sold. This is going straight into my camera bag. I'm going to have them with me on every shoot, I think, from now, because I think there's a purpose for each one of the lenses in there. Cool. Thanks again for your time, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you soon.